We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I am going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP Color LaserJet M281. So with this printer there's only a few places that your paper could get jammed. Anytime I have a paper jam, the first thing I always do is check my tray. That's usually where most problems happen. So you would check your tray. If you see it here, just gently pull it up and out. Anytime you are clearing a jam, you want to go slow and you want to be gentle with it. You don't want to yank really hard or anything like that. If you do, you could damage a sensor, or you could rip off a piece of paper inside the machine and result causing more jams. So if you can't grab it there, the next place is going to be the back. There's this little lever here. Just pull that, it'll open the back up for you. Your paper would then be right here. Gently pull it up and out. Sometimes it might get caught between the back and the output tray, so you can lift this up and the paper would be right there. Just pull it up and out. Yet again, you want to make sure to do it slow and gently, that way you don't damage any parts or have to do any repairs. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.